The anti-lock brake system malfunction warning in your Toyota indicates a problem preventing the ABS from working correctly. The ABS system is crucial for preventing wheel lockup during hard braking, helping maintain steering control and vehicle stability. Several factors can trigger this warning. First, faulty wheel speed sensors due to corrosion or damage. Second, low brake fluid levels often caused by leaks in the system. Third, electrical issues like wiring faults or blown fuses in the ABS module. Fourth, internal failure of the ABS module, more common in high-mileage vehicles. Fifth, software glitches in the ECU that can often be fixed with updates. Ignoring this warning can compromise vehicle stability, especially in wet or icy conditions. A diagnostic scan using an OBD2 scanner can pinpoint the exact issue by revealing error codes like C1231 for a left front sensor fault. Address this warning promptly for safety. Start troubleshooting ABS issues by checking your brake fluid level. Inspect wheel speed sensors for damage or corrosion. Clean with brake cleaner and a wire brush. Examine the ABS module wiring harness for damage and check relevant fuses. For software glitches in hybrids or electric models, use over-the-air updates via the Toyota app. For ABS module failure, seek professional replacement as it's complex. Toyota recommends annual brake inspections to maintain system integrity. If uncomfortable with these steps, consult a qualified mechanic. Start with basics.